Okay, so a little while ago, I just made the last actual engine repair. Nothing major though. Alright, see this little sucker right here? That's, I do believe that is the evaporative system purge valve. And the vacuum hose, well, I replaced the vacuum hoses. They were all rotten and falling apart. So I got a new vacuum line. But this one goes to the fender well. Discovered a while back that the vacuum line that goes to the evaporative system's charcoal canister there wasn't hooked up. And the line was rotted and all kinds of stuff, so fished that through and take the fender well out of it and all that kind of happy horse shit to get to it, which you can't see it, but anyway. Replaced that and just had the plugs changed, a new battery, went through, cleaned up a lot of electrical contacts. So let's take a listen. I've already checked it. I'm just doing this for... Alright, find the fucking hole. Put some goddamn hair around it. There we go. Alright. Are you going to start in park today or what? Nope, not going to start in park. Yes, my car does not start when it's in park. You have to put it in neutral. Alright. Alright. Sounds a lot better. Wait for the idle to kick down. There we go. But yeah. It now runs the way it's supposed to run. Ah, yes. And it sounds good. I'm rather pleased. Oh, and now that's enough for now.